Welcome to Prime Product Picks. The best buffing wheel is probably one of the most versatile tools you can have in your workshop. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a weekend warrior, a quality buffing wheel can make all the difference in achieving a flawless finish on metal, plastic, or wood. Today, we're diving deep into the world of 6-inch buffing wheels to help you find the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. SCOTTCHEN 6-inch buffing wheel, 70 ply, 2 PCS. This buffing wheel is designed for easy installation. It features a 1-2-inch center hole, making it compatible with most bench grinders. This makes it simple to set up and start working. The wheel is constructed with 70 plis, offering a thick and durable design. The concentric sewn circles keep the plis together, allowing for greater pressure during use. This design ensures it lasts a long time. This tool is ideal for polishing various materials. It works well on wood, metal, cast iron, brass, aluminum, bronze, and stone. You can use it for a wide range of projects. The extra thick 6-inch buffing wheel with 70 plis can significantly improve your work efficiency. The design allows you to work faster and achieve better results. It helps make your work easier. The wheel has a 6-inch diameter with a 1-2-inch arbor hole and is made of cotton. Please note that some fibers may come off during the initial use. This is normal for this type of wheel. What we like. This buffing wheel is extra thick with 70 plis, providing a larger surface area for your work. Its durable cotton material ensures a long service life. If you have a lot of polishing work or need to apply greater pressure, you should consider this one. What people say. Nice quality buffing wheels. Work great for buffing aluminum wheels and my truck bumper. My resin castings polished up nicely. Number 4. Swpeet 6 Buffing Polishing Wheels and Compounds Kit. This kit includes 3 different types of polishing wheels, cotton, yellow, and flannel. It also comes with 3 different colors of polishing compounds. This combination is designed to meet all your polishing needs. The wheels are 6 inches in diameter and have a 1-2-inch arbor. The kit includes cotton, yellow, and flannel wheels. These different materials allow for various polishing applications. The polishing compounds are easy to apply. Simply spin the buffing wheel and gently press the compound against it. The friction will transfer the compound to the wheel. These wheels are built for long wear and consistent smoothing. They fit a variety of power tools, including drills and grinders. It is suitable for many different materials. Use this kit for polishing, cutting, waxing, cleaning, and more. It works on materials like aluminum, stainless steel, and brass. It is perfect for auto body work and jewelry. You will receive 3 polishing wheels and 3 different colors of polishing compounds. This comprehensive package provides everything you need to get started. It is a complete solution for all your polishing requirements. What we like. This kit comes with 3 different polishing wheels and 3 polishing compounds. It can be used on a wide range of materials, from aluminum to jewelry. If you are looking for a comprehensive kit that can handle various polishing needs, it's the perfect choice. What people say. These have held up well during polishing of mild steel. Fit great and performed exceptionally. Worked great. Number 3. 6-inch cotton buffing wheel kit. This kit is designed for polishing various materials. It is perfect for jewelry, glass, tools, and more. It will bring a bright luster to your items. This wheel is ideal for surface treatments on jewelry, hardware, plastic, and metal. You can easily install it on a bench grinder or polishing machine. It works great with polishing wax to achieve the desired finish. Apply polishing agent to the cotton wool before use. This helps to prevent scratches and reduces thread flying. Remember to use a polishing wheel rake to trim the surface after multiple uses. The wheel is made of high-quality cotton with a leather-fixed center hole. The white wheel is soft and delicate, perfect for finishing. The yellow will remove surface debris. It has a 6-inch diameter and a 1-2-inch arbor. The white wheel is about 12 mm thick, while the yellow wheel is about 17 mm thick. The standard size makes it suitable for most bench grinders. If you have any questions about the product, please feel free to contact us. We are committed to solving any issues to ensure your satisfaction. What we like. This wheel is made of high-quality cotton and is designed for use on jewelry, glass, and metal. It's easy to use with a bench grinder or polishing machine. If you like a bright luster on your items, you should consider this one. What people say. Great polishing and buffering discs. I use these in a bench grinder for polishing pen blabs after turning. Le Devolvier and Sous Brillo. Number 2. 6-piece buffing and polishing kit for bench grinder. This kit includes everything you need for various polishing tasks. It comes with multiple buffing wheels and polishing compounds. This set is perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The polishing wheels are made from top-grade cotton, ensuring they are soft and won't damage your items. The multi-layer cotton threads are durable and wear-resistant, providing a long service life. The compounds offer high hardness and strong grinding force. The wheels are designed with a standard 6-inch size and a 1/2-inch center hole. This makes it compatible with most bench grinders and polishers. You will find this kit is a great choice. This kit is suitable for use on various materials, including car parts, jewelry, hardware, and metals like brass and aluminum. It is perfect for polishing, cutting, waxing, cleaning, and restoring different surfaces. We offer reliable after-sales service. If you have any questions or issues with the product, please contact us. We will respond within 12 hours and do our best to resolve any problems until you are satisfied. What we like. This kit includes various polishing wheels and compounds, making it a high-value tool set. The polishing wheels are made from top-grade cotton, ensuring excellent quality and durability. If you are looking for a kit that can be widely applied to various materials, this is the one for you. What people say. I use the triple E bar on the yellow wheel and the white diamond on the white wheel. Both wood and acrylic pens finished out beautifully and should get even better when waxed. These are excellent for knife making, especially for either bakelite or wood polishing, easy to clean as well. Number 1. Line 10 Tools 6-inch Buffing Wheel Kit. This 6-inch buffing wheel kit turns your tools into powerful polishing machines. It's designed for finishing stainless steel, aluminum, and other hard metals. You can achieve professional-grade results with it. Achieve a mirror-like finish with this 3-step system. The included compound removes oxidation and scratches. This makes your surfaces shine like new. The kit includes 2 6-inch wheels with 1 2-inch arbor holes. They fit standard bench grinders and feature leather-lined centers. This enhances clamping durability during tough tasks. The universal 1 4-inch shank arbor adapter allows easy attachment to drills. You can quickly switch between drill and bench grinder setups. It's very convenient to use. Restore the shine on wheels, trim, and hardware with ease. It's ideal for polishing chrome, automotive rims, and aluminum alloys. This is perfect for both DIY and professional projects. What we like. This kit is a complete polishing solution for bench grinders and drills. It features a 3-step polishing system to achieve a mirror-like finish. If you are looking for a kit that is easy to use and versatile, it's the perfect choice. What people say. Buffing wheels fit well on our bench grinder. First job was polishing 100-year-old tailor's scissors. Worked perfect and held up well. Very little wear as you would expect and did a great job. Well made and would buy again. I used 1 yellow wheel with number 1, black, compound and was able to restore blade to like new finish, maintaining original grain and satin finish by polishing with grain. Used on variable speed bench grinder. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.